Guys, today I'm going to show how to fix the error while retrieving information from server in Play Store. So our first step is to clear Play Store cache. So please enter into the app info and then click clear cache to delete all the cache files in Play Store. So our second step is to check and fix internet connection. So for that, please enter into your settings and then following mobile network. On that, please select the operator and then again mobile network, and then please disable automatically, select network and then please choose the network. Once you choose your network, the network be registered on your mobile phone, and then please turn on and turn off your airplane mode for quick fix. So our third step is to check and enable or correct date and time and then enable the auto settings. So for that you need to enter into your settings, additional settings. On that date and time, please disable and enable once the automatic settings. Once it done, our fourth step is to synchronize Google. For that you need to enter into additional settings and account and synchronize, and then tab Google synchronize. Once it done, please close it. So our fifth step is to clear service cache. So for that, please enter into the apps, manage apps, and then search for carrier services and click clear cache to delete the cache in the application. Once it done, please check the Play Store. If the issue is not solved, please follow the next step. Our next step is to reset mobile phone. Before that, you need to back up your data and then enter into your settings following about phone and scroll down. You may see the factory reset. Please click into it. I recommended you to do this step in last. If none other previous step works, then only you need to do this step. So thank you guys, thank you for watching. For more, subscribe TechTube.